clear, ma'am? All other students are also saying that it's clear. Check it once. So, yeah. So the outermost covering of kidneys is fibrous capsule. It protects the kidneys. It covers the kidneys. This tube-like structure that is coming out of kidney is ureter. The inner portion of kidney. When you take one kidney like this kidney, and cut it longitudinally and observe the inner side, it looks like this. The outer portion is pale and it is called as cortex. It is pale in color, light in color. Pale in color means light in color. The inner portion is called medulla. Medulla is sorry. Medulla is dark in color. Austin sir. And the portion of mostly in medulla, mostly in cortex, some in medulla, there are some pyramid shaped structures. Pyramid shaped structures means Egyptian pyramids. Same like Egyptian pyramids, there are structures like this which are called as renal pyramids. So these are renal pyramids. In this renal pyramids, we can see nephrons arranged like this. What are nephrons? I'll say you. Once the structure of kidney is clear for you, I'll say you about this nephrons also. So inside the pyramids, the nephrons are arranged like this. Okay. The ending region of this pyramids is called as renal papillae. Renal papillae. At the end of renal papillae, this region is called as pelvis. This central region is called as pelvis. Near renal papillae, this pelvis will make some structures like this. The ending of pelvis has some extensions like this. This is pelvis, pelvis one extension, second extension, third extension, fourth extension, fifth extension, sixth extension, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. For this diagram, 10th. So we can't say for kidneys there are so many. When we draw the diagram, we are drawing less, but this pyramid, so many pyramids are arranged inside. Okay, these extensions are called as calyx. One single calyx, if so many are there, calyces. And this portion where the ureter is starting, we have a branch of renal artery also. We have a branch of renal vein also. Okay, this portion is called as fissure. You can also call this as helium. Singular helium, plural hilus. Okay? So that is the structure of kidney. Now is it clear for you children? Okay, here one point. Between the pyramids, the portion between the pyramids is called as columns of Burley. Or you can simply call them as renal columns. Renal columns are columns of Burley. Is it clear now? That is about structure of kidneys.